Hello, Spencer with TOWNLINE Equipment. Today we've got our Kubota BX23 with a box plate on the back of it. We're going to be repairing some of the washout that's happened to our lower lot access road over the course of the summer. The rain we've had's brought all the material down here to the bottom where we stand, and since this box blade has the capability of gathering material and pulling it along with us, we're going to use that to take the existing material from the bottom of our ramp and spread it out back up the ramp, requiring us to no longer get any new material. In the end, we're going to finish this off with a landscape rake to get a smooth finish and also restore some crown so the future water is able to wash off to the sides. So we're halfway up the grade here, and on the edge you will notice that there is this ridge going up the entire length. Well, the reason for that ridge is the box blade's not able to pull the material in. It can just go straight, so any excess material falls off the edge. With the York rake, we're going to be able to set the rake on an angle and pull all that outside material into the center, and that is what's going to make our crown so the water can shed off each side. Another item in the center, you'll notice that we've got these stones. The box blade keeps picking these up, where the York rake with the tines is going to be able to sift through those, and eventually we'll pick them up and throw them in the bucket. Besides that, the surface is relatively smooth. We've filled in the large holes at the top where we had the most erosion from the water, and the only way we were going to do that is by taking material from the bottom and bringing it up, and that's exactly what the box blade helps us do. The York rake attaches to the Category 1 3-point hitch with your 2 lower link pins and your top link. The rake itself has its stem. A lot of the times you're going to want the stem to be level, but if you ever want to adjust how much your rake cuts, you're going to use your top link. So you can lower your rake all the way to the ground where it's resting, and then with your top link you can thread it in to give your rake more aggression at pulling up material, or extend your top link so more of the rake is riding on the back tires. In addition to that, in order to get the blade surface to have the pitch so you can pull crown into the middle of the road, on one side of your 3-point hitch will be a turnbuckle, and by lifting and lowering your 3-point hitch arms, you adjust which side of the rake will dig in more, and the side that digs in more is going to pull material across the cutting surface into the center, and that is what produces crown. video has generated questions on landscape rakes or box blades, please reach out to either of our store locations, Plainfield, New Hampshire, or Pittsford, Vermont, or visit our website, www.townlineequipment.com. You can also visit our Facebook page for other videos on implements that we have demoed. Thank you, and have a good day.